everyone, and welcome back to our virtual story time. Today's story is called The Stray Dog, and the author is Mark Simone, and we have a special guest reader, my mini golden doodle, Annie. She's going to help us today. It was a great day for a picnic. "What's this?" asked the father. "It's a scruffy little dog," said the mother. "He looks hungry," said the girl. "I think he wants to play," said the boy. The children played with him and taught him to sit up. They named him Willie. They kept playing until it was time to go. "Let's take Willie home," said the children. "No," said the father. "He must belong to somebody," explained the mother, "and they would miss him." On the way home, the girl said, "Maybe Willie doesn't belong to anybody." During the week, all the family had Willie on their minds. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Let's see. "Willie," they all cried when he appeared. But Willie didn't stop. Willie was in a big hurry. There he is. Uh-oh, looks like he's running from somebody. "He has no collar. He has no leash," said the dog warden. "This dog is a stray. He doesn't belong to anybody." The boy took off his belt. "Here's his collar," he said. The girl took off her hair ribbon. "Here's his leash," she said. "His name is Willie, and he belongs to us." They took Willie home, and after that, they introduced him to the neighborhood, where he met some very interesting dogs. And Willie settled in where he belonged. What a nice story. What do you think, Annie? Did you like that book? Did you like that book? She's a tired puppy. Well, thanks for reading with us, and have a great day, everyone. Bye.